Hello friends, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. Today I have another video regarding with Notepad++. Today I will show you how to download Notepad++ and how to run the HTML code in the web browser such as Google Chrome and Firefox. For this, first of all, go to Google and type here Notepad++. Okay, click here. Okay, this one is the newest version. Okay, just click here, and if you have 32-bit processor, you have to choose this option. But I recommend to you use the installer to install Notepad++. And if you have the 64-bit processor, you have to choose this one. To find out the processor, you just go here. To verify your processor, go to computer, PC, and go to properties. And see here, type the system 64-bit. My computer is 64-bit processor, so I'm going to choose this one, installer. And now double click here. Okay, yes, choose your language, which language you prefer. Okay, I'm going to choose English, and do the next. Read the license agreement and agree. Next. Create shortcut on desktop. If you want to create shortcut on desktop, just check here. Otherwise, no need. Okay, now it's finished. See here. Okay, and then delete all this file, and I'm going to save as this file. Okay, test HTML extension, and save our tiles. Okay, I'm going to put it in desktop and then save. I'm going to put some code here. I have already. Now I'm going to just do this one, copy and paste, save. Now see here, there is no any browser available here to run this code. So now we are going to add the browser. To add the browser, click run, click here, and go to the PC, C, program, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, we are going to add Mozilla Firefox, and click the Mozilla, open, and you can see here with the space, and we have to type some code here. 12 brackets, type full underscore current underscore path brackets. Then okay, save, give the name Firefox, and if you want to open the browser with a shortcut key, you can choose like this. ctrl shift or any. Okay, and the code is going to run in Mozilla Firefox. You can see test phase. Okay, now we are going to again add the Chrome, same like the previous way. Okay, choose the PC, local, C here, Google, here is Google Chrome, and you have to choose the Google Chrome data extension and open. After that you have to code, you have to add the code here as well. Okay, first the same code, download fu equal full underscore current current underscore pits path apostrophe. Then save, choose shortcut key. If you want to more, you can choose here, otherwise no. Give the name here, cs Chrome, then press OK, then hit the run. Something for current, maybe here. Okay. Chrome. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now it's done. Then HTML code. Now it's running in Chrome browser. So now you can see here. You can find here the breadth of browser. It was edited 3 times. There because we typed the wrong code there once time. I put the apostrophe together. That's why it's coming. Doesn't matter. This way we can. Yes, it's the problem with this one. This is working properly. Okay, this way we can install and run our web browser. Our HTML code in web browser. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you again in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.